Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to use index function with filter. This is very simple sample data. Based on this, we have to extract data of TCS and IT NSE. These are the filters. So let's construct formula. First, index bracket open, then filter, just give price range, comma. From here onwards filter should work. So bracket open, first filter is TCS, just give range, it should be TCS, bracket close, asterisk, bracket open, again one more filter. This is sector is IT, just give IT, bracket closed, asterisk, bracket open, then exchange, you should be equal to NSE, bracket close, comma 0 for multiple results. Okay, this is the simplest method to get index with filter function. We can able to add multiple filters based on our requirements. For example, we want add some date also, we can able to add it. In the formula here you can able to add. You just put here also asterisk, bracket open, just give date range greater than and equal to third, just put date 2025 June 3rd. We can able to add, enter. So only one result will come. Like that we can able to create multiple filters in index function so that we will get only the selected result. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.